Hey guys, Sylvia here. Welcome guys to my Cinemagic Bundle review. Okay, we are on the bonus page of mine actually, which is kind of like a combination of a sales page and a bonus page, but you will need to click through, okay, to be taken to, you'll need to click here to get instant access, and then you'll be taken through to the sales page where you essentially make the purchase, okay? But as I said, this is my bonus bundle page, and you're getting some crazy bonuses actually on top of this already crazy product, already crazy Cinemagic Bundle. Well, okay, so I'll tell you what this product is about in a sec, but yeah, just to give you a heads up, it is, just to let you know that it's going live on Tuesday, the 14th of February, so Tuesday, all day, yeah. Alright, and then here I'll explain to you the funnel, not complicated, just 2 upsells, okay, and here we have these guys, vendors, so Maulana Malik and his launch partner, they are very, very, very good quality vendors. It's a JVZoo launch, so you're gonna access this from your JVZoo account, okay? Well, essentially what it is a pretty straightforward product, okay? So not much explaining needed as such, but I'll show you exactly what you will get, what kind of content you will get, and then I'll show you my bonuses as well. But I would, encourage you to check everything out for yourselves. The link to my bonus bundle page will be right below my review in the description box. So, click through the templates that they show you here and on the sales page as well, right? So you know exactly what kind of videos and graphics you'd be getting. Well, essentially, because you're getting these like done for you templates on all sorts of graphics here, this way, this will allow you to create high impact, high engaging, content, videos and all of that to boost your conversion rates and your sales. Okay. And, well, let's face it, video marketing is the future, right? People are into videos big time. They're way much more prone to watching, like consuming the content from videos than actually reading the blog. They still do, of course. I mean, like the written word will never, fade away or never lose its power, so to speak. But that is the trend, sort of the tendency, right? People prefer videos more and more these days. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but it is a fact. So, anyhow, they say actually here, they're introducing this revolutionary technology that will change the game forever, be the first to experience the power of creating stunning video and graphic content with ease using PowerPoint. So you will be using PowerPoint to edit and customize those templates, and they're fully editable and customizable. Yeah. Alright, so watch this sales video here, guys, and here are the main features. So you can create unlimited high quality videos and graphics, and you're getting done for your templates in popular niches. It's effortlessly, as I already said, customizable with drag and drop feature. Cinemagic works for all niches, full HD, so high definition, 4K resolutions, so all good, very good quality. Embedded video inside your projects, multi-purpose, so for whatever projects you need it for yourself, either yourself and your clients, because it also comes with the commercial license, and it's reseller rights on top of that. So amazing, value getting here. So you're getting high quality animation and step-by-step tutorials as well, that will guide you how to master and maximize Cinemagic quickly and easily. So there you go. I mean, yeah, it's quite amazing because they say it's a game-changing, all-in-all video and template, video and graphic maker. You know, this whole bundle. So today's special launch. So as soon as it launch, you know, this offer during the launch period will grant you full commercial rights to all video and graphic templates designed to boost your sales. Okay, so you can do it in 3 easy steps. So first of all, you choose one of the hundreds of templates, right? Then you customize it, you know, according to your style and liking, your needs, and then you simply publish, and you export your project into highly captivating video or high quality graphic. Anyhow, yes, that's obvious. So that's what you can use it for, you know, for video, for sales videos, YouTube videos, business presentations for yourselves and your clients, social media graphics and videos, video thumbnails, promotional videos, e-course video, of course, and for webinars as well. So you'll have, like, it's gonna be split into modules, okay? So the module 1 will be those dynamic video templates, okay? And you can click on each of, you know, these templates, and then just watch the video, okay? I'm gonna just mute it and let me show you like some of the videos that are dynamic templates. All right. So yeah, I'm not gonna be clicking on every single of them because you can do it yourself, and you can, if you click to see full preview, you'll be taken to the sales page, and from there you can purchase the product. And then in module 2, and there's gonna be hundreds and hundreds of templates in each module, okay? So in module 2, you'll have YouTube style video templates, okay? Again, click on the template if you want to watch it. Okay, let me just show you this one. There you go, guys. So you know, and then you can just edit them and customize them as per your wish. Then module 3 is the Cinemagic presentation templates. Then we have video thumbnails, also the thumbnails that you can, you know, change up in PowerPoint using PowerPoint. Module 4, social media templates for your social media accounts. And Facebook ads templates you have here as well. Okay, then module 6 will be channel arts. Okay, always needed. And module 7, subscribe animations, you know, for your YouTube videos. Very, very useful. Module 8 is the end screen video template, so sort of cool end screen templates as well at the end that you just stick towards the end of your video. All right. And module 9, lower third templates. They're also very useful. And module 10, logo opener templates. Module 11, motion elements and video transitions. These transitions are pretty cool. I do like them. And yeah, for example, if you go like from one topic to another in your videos, it's nice to stick those transitions in the middle. So yeah, I think they tend to keep the viewer's attention longer as well, because your video is kind of like more fun as well. Now module 12 is the countdown time animation templates as well. Okay, so we'll have those. Let me just show you. Okay, maybe. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. All sorts of templates. Countdown templates. Yeah, all good. Right, okay guys, so you know, you can easily, without any technical skills, sort of like, you know, edit them. And then here come my bonuses. Okay, so if you want to get the Cinemagic Bundle from my link, then you will also claim, then you'll be able to claim these, you know, bonuses 100% free of charge. I mean, there are so many bonuses, it's pretty insane. So the bonus number 1, new PowerPoint promo video templates, guys. Okay, so obviously, you know, these are the bonus. These bonuses will complement the front end of this product beautifully. And then you'll have social story video templates, static and animated landscape background, logo quick, so with commercial license, you know, all to do with logo creation and all of that. And then we have all sorts of like whiteboard video assets that are always, you know, handy to have. Video explainer assets. I mean, so many bonuses, guys, here. I mean, just check them out. Go through all of them, because I'm not gonna bore you here and like list everything out, like, you know, read everything out for you. They're right in front of you. You're looking at them, okay? So why not click on the link and check it out for yourself? You know, I'm not gonna be running my mouth needlessly, since you can check it out yourself, right? Okay, now show me, let me show you. Sorry, it's quite late and my tongue is already getting twisted. I guess I'm a bit tired, but hey, still showing up. Here is the sales funnel, guys. Pretty straightforward. The front end is $22. Then the OTO number 1, and I'm just letting you know that you can deny the first OTO if you want to pick it up. And then they will come back with the downsell. So I'm just getting less commission by letting you know there is a downsell to OTO number 1. But hey, here I am, here I come to the rescue. So $5 discount, sort of like, yeah, if you pick up the downsell of OTO number 1. And so that's gonna be a Cinemagic Bundle Pro, right? And then OTO number 2, $77. So that's best-selling product VIP bundle. And that's it, okay, just 2 upsells. Alright guys, so pretty straightforward, you know, like there's nothing to like show as such. I mean, the sales page is so transparent. So if you click through, you know, here, get Cinemagic Bundle Plus, my bonuses, then you will be taken to the sales page. I'm not sure if that, yeah, there you go. So that's the sales page. And then like, you know, once it's ready, because it's still like an early bird sort of notification. I'm shooting this review a bit earlier. The product is not live yet, but you know, once it's live, you'll be able to, there's going to be a call to action button here. Click through, you'll be taken to checkout and, you know, complete the purchase from there on. Alright guys, so that was my Cinemagic review. Also for those who are interested in making money with affiliate marketing, setting up affiliate marketing business from scratch and doing everything with free organic methods, I would highly recommend you check out, you know, these courses. Okay, that I offer to my viewers always, because they're totally amazing and kickstarted like my affiliate marketing journey. So, you know, I've tested them, I've tried them, you know, they're amazing. The vendor behind these products is amazing as well. And it's gonna give you all of the, you know, like basics and beyond of affiliate marketing, traffic generation and email marketing, how to do it all successfully. We know no traffic, no money, okay? So learn how to do it the right way, and yeah, you will come back to thank me. As long as you put your head in the game and actually like keep showing up even though you're tired, okay? Alright, because if we don't do the work, there's no results to follow. There will be nada, zero results to follow. Alright, voila. So check out Cinemagic for yourselves. Check out my bonuses. If that's for you, pick it up. Alright, enjoy, all the best. If you're a freelancer, if you know, it's a perfect product. If you like, you know, want to make your graphics and videos amazing, if you're a YouTuber, you will love these templates. Okay, bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.